Have you ever had to make a decision when you're under a lot of pressure? Or had to make one when there's nothing on your mind? Which do you think would be easier? Listen to the rest to find out. An experiment was conducted by multiple different subjects. They were told to enter a room one at a time. They would be told a number to remember. Then they would walk to another room further down the hallway and tell the number to the person who was waiting there for them. Everyone involved in the experiment thinks that they were given the same number, but some were given 2 digits to remember, while others were given the max number of 7 digits to remember. As the person would walk down the hallway, they would be stopped by a lady offering snacks for participating in the experiment. She offers either a big slice of chocolate cake or a bowl of healthy fruit. To start the experiment, a lady enters the room. Her number was only 2 digits long. She then walks down the hallway to the other door to tell their number to the person waiting there for them. Then another person enters the room. Their digits was 7 digits long. Then he starts to make his way down the hallway. These 2 people don't know that they have two different numbers. Then they're stopped by the lady offering the snacks. She tells them that they can have a bowl of fruit or a slice of cake. The woman with the 2 digits thinks about the offer for a few seconds, but then decides to have the big bowl of fruit. Next is the man with 7 digits to decide which snack he wants. You can tell that causes him a lot of trouble. He can't decide what to do. You can tell he wants to eat the cake, but he wants to stay healthy. But in the end, he decides to have the cake because he thinks that he deserves a treat. They then make their way down the hallway to the other door. I bet you're wondering why this is. Let me explain. Your brain has 2 parts that is used to make choices. Your emotional and rational side. Rational thinks about the consequences of eating anything but healthy foods. They think about consequences of how many calories there is, weight gain, and then makes you think that if you eat the fruit, you'll feel great and being healthy. But your emotional side of the brain is the side you use when making decisions when under stress. Your emotional side of the brain loves sweets. You're under all the stress of remembering 7 digits because human brains can only remember 7 numbers, plus or minus 2, which is going to make you choose cake. It's just going to happen. There's nothing you can do about it because your emotional side of your brain takes over to make an irrational decision.